Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ecobee and install built-in room sensors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Ecobee thermostat is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or smartphone. In the address bar, type in www.ecobee.com and press enter. Once the Ecobee homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Ecobee account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, click the Sign In button. After logging in, you will see your Ecobee dashboard. To install the built-in room sensors, locate the Settings option on the dashboard. Click on Settings to access the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, find the Sensor option. Select Sensors to view any existing sensors linked to your Ecobee. To add new sensors, click on Add Sensor. Follow the prompts to identify and add your built-in room sensors. Make sure to place the sensors in appropriate locations for the best temperature readings. Once you have placed the sensors, return to the dashboard to ensure they are detected. Monitor the sensor readings to confirm they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the Ecobee Help Center for troubleshooting tips. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your Ecobee system with built-in room sensors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.